Yeah, actually, speaking of new products, sorry, Dylan, but we have a new auxiliary radiator product for the B9 S4. Do we have all the specs on this, Sean? Just to make sure I'm not talking. Yeah, we're gonna add some of that, and then
to limit the BS.
yeah, it's no BS.
In the meantime, you can compare the sizing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. So this product upgrades the factory heat exchanger on the B9 S4. Do all the cars come with this? This is
No.
the one. Okay.
You can retrofit it. We do list all the components that you need to retrofit it.
So if your car has this from the factory, then this is the upgrade for that. If your car doesn't have it, you can buy this product and the factory products to retrofit it onto your car. The B9 S4 is cooling system limited, especially when you start turning up the power, especially if you drive on track. So we are in the midst of a full cooling system modification program for the B9 S4 to make to bring the cooling system up to capacity to the power levels that we're producing with these cars. And so the new unit is larger, has more surface area, and is thicker than the factory unit.
69% increase in volume.
Yeah, 69% increase in volume. 69%, really? We
Yeah.
couldn't hit, we couldn't
Well,
hit
69.6, but it's better to
70.
just leave it 69.
Okay, yeah. I think our engineers specifically targeted 69% instead of like 65%. We push things a little bit extra to hit that number. Actually 69.6. It's even more freaky. That's like a three-way.
Yeah.
Wow.
I guess so.
I guess
Yeah.
I don't know how that works.
That's like a 9 sandwich. So larger surface area, 10% increase in surface area over factory. So this is a relatively simple, easy mod that just adds to the cooling system capacity. This is not the only thing, so we will be releasing a full radiator and a second auxiliary heat exchanger product as well, I believe.
Yes.
I think we have some, yeah, so that you can match the amount of cooling that the RS5 has. So this is now live on our website, in stock and ready to ship.
Nope.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
2 weeks.
Most of the components are in stock. We're waiting for one thing, which we should have in a 1 to 2 week range. So yeah, if you have any questions about this, let us know. But we're happy to bring these cooling system upgrades to the market for the B9, and again, much needed products.